All right, so welcome back to the Civil FE exam review. Today in this video, we're going to be looking at a topic that is covered in surveying called area computations. Now, area or finding the area is not super difficult, but I did want to go through it because it will be asked on your exam, and sometimes they're not going to draw pictures for you, so you still need to be able to read the question and be able to assume the correct things so that you can get these easier questions correct. So let's look at some of the practice problems. All right. So for area computations, number 1 says find the total area of a composite parcel made up of a rectangle, which is 60 meters by 80 meters, and a triangle. The base is 40 meters and the height is 30 meters. Your answer should be in square meters. Okay, so let's start with the given information. They give us the dimensions of a rectangle and a triangle. And they want us to find total area. All right. Okay, so this is a composite shape. So let's just draw this out. We got a rectangle, and that piece of it is 60 by 80. All right, so this is my 60 by 80. Okay. And there's also a triangle attached to it. That is, the base is 40 and the height is 30. So I can just imagine this. Height is 30. Base is 40. Okay, and the composite shape, right, is this whole thing. We want to find this whole area. Right. Now remember this, your base of the height is 30 and the base is 40. So I'll just write that in there. Okay. All right, how would we go about finding this area? This horrible. Try this again. This is 30. Okay. So how would I go about finding this area? Well, what is the area of a triangle? If you ever forget these, I believe in the, like it might be statics section, they have a place where, yeah, they give you how to find area of different shapes. So area and centroid. All right, so we know for a rectangle, it's just base times height. We know for a new type of triangle, it's based 1/2 times base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Okay. Alrighty, so let's get into it. So for the triangle, I'm just gonna add them up separately. So area of the triangle is equal to, it's gonna be base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2, which is equal to, what's our base? 40. What's our height? 30. Divide that by 2, and we get what? I get 600 meters squared. All right, what about our rectangle? The area of the rectangle is equal to 60 times 80, the base times the height, which is equal to 4,800 meters squared. All right, so what's our total? It's going to equal to the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle, right? Which is equal to 600 plus 4,800. This is all meters squared, of course. And so for my answer, I get 5,400 meters squared, or D. Okay. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 says, calculate the area of a trapezoidal parcel with two bases of 50 meters and 60 meters, and the width being 30 meters. Okay. Answer should be in square meters. Cool. Given information, trapezoidal parcel. And bases are 50 and 60 meters. And then you have your width is also given. Okay. So we're trying to find the area of the trapezoid. All right. So how do we do this? And what does this look like? So you have a trapezoid. They're basically saying that you got one base, 60 meters, one that is 50 meters, and then you have a width of 30 meters, and it just connects. So what's this area? All right, what is the area? All right, so the area of a trapezoid can be solved as h, which is your width, times a plus b, which are your bases, a and b, divided by 2. Okay, so we'll say 50 meters equals A, 60 meters equals B, according to the diagram that we're comparing it to, right? And then H equals 30. Okay. So now it's just a matter of going ahead and putting it all together. Area equals H times A plus B, all divided by 2. Area is equal to, what's H? 30 was A 50 plus 60, all divided by 2. Area is equal to, for this one, I get 1,650 meters squared, or A. Alrighty. Let's go to number 3. Determine the area of a circular pond with a radius of 10 meters. Unit should be in square meters. Okay, circular pond. We are given that it's a circular we're given the radius and we're trying to find the area. Okay, so the formula is needed. What's the area of a circle? Apparently, this is the furthest down this document can go. But I know okay. Either way, I was going to say I know the area of a circle, but just in case you don't. Pi a squared, what is A? A is R, our radius. So we know that the formula needed is pi squared is equal to A of a circle. So what would our answer be? Well, it is pi times our radius, which is 10 squared, which is equal to 314.15 meters squared. Or C. Super easy, super simple, super straightforward. In the next video, we are going to be looking at earthwork and volume computations, which is a lot tougher, or is definitely tougher than these. So I will see you in the next video.